Here is a Nutone Hacienda hugger I got from Fanimation several years ago. I had done a video on this quite a while back, but this is a revisit in the new house in the living room, as you can see. And yeah, I'll go back up here, get a better picture of where it's at. This was in my bedroom before, but it was too big for the room and it was not blowing hardly any air, so I had to take it down. But yeah, this really suits this room, I think, anyway. I know there's quite a few people that don't really care for this light kit, but I don't care about their opinion. But I got on a swag kit that I had ordered online because I couldn't find one in polished brass like that. But yeah, anyway, here's a light. I love how the light illuminates off the blades, gives it a very amber color. Go off, and then we'll start up on low. It is a kind of a high-low speed. A little bit faster than a normal 52-inch in my opinion. But it puts out a pretty good breeze. That's all that matters. But anyway, go up to medium. Been trying to get a video of this fan for a while because got 4 people living here now, so kind of hard to do a video with people upstairs. Got the house to myself today, so making the video while I can. Medium, I would say, is about average. Putting out a pretty good breeze. Go high. Yeah, high speed in my bedroom was not blowing this much air either. I mean, it's throwing out some pretty good wind. Let's see here. I'm about 12, 13 feet back, and it's blowing some pretty good air from back here too. So it's a pretty good fan for what it is. And I'll go off. But yeah, that's it. And until next time.